In this chapter, we shall learn about adjective. You can also refer to our earlier videos on noun. Now let us move on to the adjective. Let us read the following sentences. Paul is a big boy. The word big tells what kind of boy Paul is. Number 2. Lazy students fail. The word lazy tells what kind of students fail. Number 3. Kumar is poor but honest. The word poor and honest tells what kind of man Kumar is. The above sentences contain a number of nouns which you can easily pick out. With some of these nouns, there is a describing word. With the help of these describing words, we know something more about person or thing named by each noun. In grammar, describing words are called adjective. They are so called because they add something to the meaning of the noun. Adjective means added to. Let us do some exercise. Put the adjective in the blank spaces given. The girl had a voice. So here the adjective is sweet. Be a good boy. Here the adjective is good. Likewise, the mango is not ripe. The horse is a wild or useful animal. We want plenty of fresh air. My father has worn a blue dress. My shirt is better than yours. A brave man does not fear any danger. Likewise, an adjective can tell color, size, shape, taste, sound, smell, weather, and number. Hope you have easily understood the adjective. In the next chapter, we shall learn about the preposition.